In this assignment, we want you to experiment with moving items, map elements, to different locations on your map using a Python script. So to start, you may need to construct a layout where you already put in things like the directional arrow and the scale bar and things like that. So you may need to construct that using ArcGIS Pro. You also need to put a grid onto your map so that you can use that to help you move things around on your map. And again, you might want to do that automatically in ArcGIS Pro and not try to do that in your Python script. But what we want you to do is to move the different map elements to a proper location. So, for example, if there was a company that requires that the map element always be at a certain location, well, you could use a template, but you could also use a Python script that you would run and move these elements to their proper location. Then you'd go back and inspect your map to make sure that everything looks right and everything like that. So we want you to move the major map elements to their proper location, all using a Python script. But again, you can build that file other ways. So that's what we're after in this assignment.